What are your views on sex before marriage?
Not at all.
Thoughts on your Jain daughter Astha Jain having an American boyfriend? If you were stuck on a desert or an island and there was nothing to eat except animals, what would you do?
I'll die.
Arey mummy. Mummy, dekho, I think even you're very well aware of the fact that you've become an absolute fan favorite on Instagram. You've been making lots of appearances in my reels on Instagram. I honestly feel most of the people on my Instagram are actually following me or watching my reels because of you, not because of me. So since you've been since you've been stealing my thunder on Instagram, I thought, chalo, let's bring you on my YouTube channel also, such that you can steal my thunder here on YouTube. Acha, do you know what I have in mind? मतलब ये क्यों कर रहे हैं? मतलब what's happening here?
Something like rapid fire now?
Not rapid fire, but it is a Q&A.
And which, like, I'm not supposed to know what you'll be asking me?
Of course not, exactly.
Because you want to see my spontaneous reaction?
100%. Take an oath. सबसे पहले oath ले लो. मैं जो बोलूँगी, सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं बोलूँगी.
No! God, please, no!
मैं जो बोलूँगी, सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं बोलूँगी.
Oh, poker face. Ready?
Ready.
So we'll start with a question that a lot of people ask me on my channel and on my Instagram as well. As a Jain, how has your mother allowed you to eat eggs, especially eggs in the house?
That was a very, very, very difficult journey for me. And you remember one day, just because your pressure had fallen down and then because you were not eating anything, you got into healthy fooding when you thought maybe egg is the only food which can give you proper nutrition.
तो आपको क्या लगा जब start किए थे? You thought it's going to be temporary.
I thought it's definitely.
So how long has it been now? More than a year.
I think nearly a year. More than a year.
But now you're fine with it, है ना?
I'm not fine with it. I am not. I will never be fine with it.
Acha, what will your reaction be if I give up eggs? So this just shows.
Happiest, maybe one of the happiest moments.
आँखों में तो अभी आंसू आ रहे हैं.
I mean, I think that would be one of the happiest moments.
So, does this mean that your love for me is conditional and not unconditional?
It does not mean that, but definitely few things contribute to my love getting enhanced for someone. I will not be able to make you quit eggs. I just have one hope, a flicker of hope, and that is from your future wife. She might be able to make you
We'll talk about my future wife. उसके बारे में भी questions है. So speaking of giving up certain foods, you've given up a lot of items because of religion. Why have you given up the following items? Number 1, pizza.
Just because the process.
महाराज जी का, गुरु जी का peer pressure था क्या?
नहीं, गुरुजी का peer pressure नहीं था. गुरुजी जो बोलते हैं वो सही बोलते हैं, अच्छे के लिए बोलते हैं. Things which are made of maida and all, that's very susceptible to having these small microorganisms.
अच्छा. Chocolate
Again, these like
peer pressure.
No.
Noodles same.
Noodles, same thing.
So peer pressure.
No, not peer pressure.
If you were stuck on a desert or an island and there was nothing to eat except animals, what would you do?
I'll die.
What would you do if someone offered you 50 lakhs to try non-veg? Just try it, like a small piece. 50 lakhs.
I'll forgo that 50. No, what a stupid question.
1 crore.
Don't tell me the money.
Acha, how much money would it take to convince you?
Not at all. I don't need money. I'm not in need of money. Why should I?
Still, the more the merrier.
No.
Thoughts on your Jain daughter Astha Jain having an American boyfriend?
Gate पे कोई है.
Gate पे कोई है. Wow. जाओ खोल के आओ. This bell rang at a good time, na?
A few moments later.
Thoughts on your Jain daughter Astha Jain having an American boyfriend? Let me repeat the question.
I am hoping against.
सिर क्यों नीचे हो गया है? थोड़ा मतलब गर्व से बात करो ना मम्मी. हाँ? उदास हो गई हो क्या?
Hoping against hope. Like nowadays youngsters, they keep changing their boyfriends and girlfriends.
So Astha will also change.
I'm hoping against hope.
अच्छा, तो what if she changes from one American boyfriend to another American boyfriend? Then सिर ऐसे झुक जाएगा क्या? हाँ?
This is something which has gone beyond the tolerance of egg also.
Oh, thank you so much, Astha. Thank you so much for assuming the role of the black sheep amongst the two of us. How will you react if your Jain son gets married to a non-Jain?
Oh my God. I will take sannyas that day only. I'm not joking. That day itself, I'll say, nahi, ab bas, now this world is not the place to live in. and I'll leave.
Jain son getting married to a non-Jain or Jain daughter getting married to an American?
More intolerable.
What's more intolerable? What's more tolerable?
Jain daughter getting married to an American.
That's more intolerable.
That's more.
Astha, thank you again for taking one for the team. Cheers. You're doing lovely. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Hypothetically speaking, if you could go back to the time you were single and you had to pick between marrying a Jain who earns an average amount of money versus a non-Jain who's a billionaire, whom would you pick?
Jain.
Oh, हंसी से पता चल रहा है ये झूठ है. हंसी से पता चल रहा है ये झूठ है.
Jain.
If you could pick only one between religion and your children, what would you pick?
Wait, don't ask these questions.
That's why it's hypothetical.
No, it's not.
So your answer is also going to be hypothetical.
Children.
Yay! If you could only pick one between Astha and Anubhav.
Oh no, please.
Oh, Anubhav you said?
I cannot answer.
Anubhav? If you could pick only one between religion and your entire wealth, liquid cash, assets, everything, your entire wealth, what would you pick?
I'll give up. Apart from leaving that much for free, which is required for my sustenance.
But what about the money I'll inherit or I'm supposed to inherit?
I think you're quite capable of fending for yourself.
हाँ,
So yes.
इस महीने अच्छी कमाई हुई है 2000 रुपए की. As a devout Jain, what are your views on sex before marriage?
Not at all. That's something, a precious thing which a boy and a girl should keep it, preserve it for their
But what if the person
spouse.
what if the person does not get married until 30, 31, 32? Then क्या? तब
That's
क्या होगा?
something wrong. Boys and girls should get married after 24, 25.
But suppose they can't, even if they wanted to, then क्या होगा? 30, 31 तक that person will remain a virgin.
Remain.
Remain a virgin. Remain a virgin. Is it true, mummy, that you've been using religion as a natural sleeping aid?
Shut up.
We have proof, mummy.
Just shut up.
We have proof.
Just shut up.
Not just one proof, we have multiple proofs.
जो 6वीं से लेके 10वीं अध्याय तक की बुक
अरे वाह मम्मी,
देखा है
धर्म की क्लास तो बड़ी फायदेमंद साबित हो रही है.
उसका नाम रखा है। धर्म करने के इन अवसरों पर अपने आलस्य को छोड़ करके जिनेंद्र भगवान की आराधना में मन लगाने का भाव
You come at the wrong time and you take
Come at the wrong
video
time.
at the wrong time.
Would you recommend any of these online Jain Dharma classes to people suffering from insomnia?
And please, next question.
How would you react if I start going to the temple?
I can't believe.
ये भी hypothetical है मम्मी, ये भी hypothetical है.
Take it in writing from me. From inside, something will happen. At which age, I do not know. You will get into the depth of Jainism.
Wishful thinking. Wishful thinking.
let-
Irrational optimism.
I don't know.
Mummy, देखो, you're an absolute legend. Like such a sport, and I'm 100% sure I'm echoing the sentiments of everyone who's watching right now. What did you make of your experience?
I think I loved it. And if somebody gets time, get into the depth and get into the principles of Jainism.
अच्छा ये बहुत हो गया देखो, this is not ये indoctrination का वीडियो नहीं है, ठीक है? But definitely let us know if you'd like mum to feature a lot more frequently on my channel. I've been telling her she should start her own channel. I swear to God, she can become like a sensation, like an overnight sensation, because of her very quirky and idiosyncratic personality and some of the very like quirky things that she says, in a very cute way. I mean this is a supreme compliment.
This is what I'm saying. Shall I take as a compliment?
100%. Any parting words, mummy? कि बोल दियो.
Subscribe to the channel. I
Arey
would say.
wow, that's exactly what I was looking for. My mom's my PR agent, Like she's the one who vouches for me. It's her validation that I need on a daily basis to actually give it my 120% every single day.
Yes, in spite of dash.
Dash बोल दो. Eggs, not going to the temple, sex before marriage, what else?
Please.
अच्छा, जाते एक बार सबको जय जिनेंद्र बोल दे क्या मम्मी? हाँ?
Jai
जय जिनेंद्र.